Welcome back to another video. Now, today we kind of have a mukbang. I have Wendy's today. Wendy's is doing this little, Play-Doh thing. And you can mold Play-Doh, but that's not what we're here. We're about food, so I got a Diet Coke. Good. I got 2 sets of fries. Now, the last time we had Wendy's, I had dropped my fries. Yeah, also have 2 cheeseburgers. So yeah, let's get into it. In my opinion, McDonald's has the best French fries. This is 3rd place. So let's open this burger up and ooh, I already see the ketchup. See. Okay, meat patty, meat, cheese, and ketchup. I don't like tomatoes on my burger or lettuce. I don't like any veggies, but I accept ketchup. All right. This is good. The Wendy's burgers are 2nd place in burgers. Actually, I'm gonna try something. Put some fries inside of the burger. Open it up. Sincerely, enjoy. This is really good. All these fries are sticking together. Now, some of you guys may have just watched the Gunther versus Cody Rhodes World Heavyweight title match. It is a little bit of a disappointment. I'm not going to give any spoilers. I don't know why. Every time I go to Tim Hortons, I make sure to get a regular Coca-Cola. I don't like diet. But if they don't have the regular Coca-Cola, I'm ordering a Sprite. And you're going to be like, oh, what if they don't have Sprite? Ordering an apple juice.